Audie, please come here.
Yes, Mom. Oh, did you buy something for me? New video game? Ice cream? A robot?
No, little monkey, I need your help with this bill. The shopkeeper gave me a discount, but I'm not sure if it's correct.
Shouldn't discounts be fixed?
No. The discount depends on the bill amount. It's mentioned on the back of the bill.
Oh, so the bigger the bill, the bigger the discount. That's cool. Okay, let's check if the shopkeeper did his math right.
All the best, Audie.
I'll use multiple if statements to check the conditions.
That's good. But some programming languages have advanced ways to handle such tasks.
Oh, I should ask my teacher about that. But first, let's write the code. I have to accept the bill amount. Now I have to check for the bill condition. My first condition is ready. Now I have to check for next condition. Can I use range function? Let me try. Gogu, is it correct?
Yes, doing good.
Now we'll write for next condition.
Very good. Check for rest of the conditions.
Yes. Now for last condition, what to use else, or one more if? Confused? We'll try. Gogu, please help me.
You are logically correct. You will get result. But there is a better way of writing a code.
Okay, we'll complete the code. My teacher will help to write it in a better way. Now I have to calculate the actual amount to pay. My code is ready. Mom, what was the bill amount?
2,356 rupees.
That means you should get a 100 rupees discount and pay 2,256 rupees. Let's see. Yay! My code is correct.
I knew it, but I wanted to test your coding skills.
You sneaky mom. Get ready for some fun. Watch the latest Audie and Gogu episode, answer the questions, and you could win an awesome gift hamper. It's super easy. Just watch, think, and compete. So, grab your thinking caps and get ready to play. Stay tuned for the quiz and the chance to win big.